In today's video, I will teach you how to make an image look pixelated in Gimp. Let's get started. Creating a pixelated effect in Gimp is a simple process that can give your image a retro or digital art aesthetic. And here's a comprehensive guide on how to do it. First, launch Gimp and load the image that you want to pixelate. Now, go to the Layers panel, and if the Layers panel is hidden, simply go to the menu bar, Windows, Dockable Dialogues, then select Layers. The default location of the Layers panel is going to be at the bottom right side of the editor. Now, click on the image layer, then select Duplicate Layer, or simply use the shortcut key Shift-Ctrl-D. This ensures you have a copy of the original. Now we're going to scale the image. To do this, go to the menu bar, Image, then Scale Image. Then reduce the image dimensions to make it smaller. This step contributes to the pixelation effect. Now we're going to apply a Pixelate filter. To do this, go to the menu bar, go to Filters, Blur, then Pixelize. Here, you can adjust the pixel size to control the level of pixelation. Larger pixel size results in a more pronounced effect. Now, the step is optional, but you can adjust the opacity. And once you're satisfied, you can now save your pixelated image. Simply go to the menu bar, File, Export. Alternatively, you can also go to File, then Save As. This straightforward process allows you to quickly and easily give your image a pixelated look in Gimp, offering creative possibilities for various artistic and design purposes. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.